The best folding mobility scooters senior parents or grandparents walk around with their canes or walkers can be quite tough to watch. So, we have brought a list of the best folding mobility scooters for their convenience. After reviewing multiple products, with a folding mobility scooter, they can visit their favorite cafes, travel to the library, and breathe the fresh air at a neighborhood park with ease, without feeling restricted to their homes. Folding mobility scooters are compact, lightweight, and easy to transport and help those with mobility issues. If you want to buy a thoughtful gift for your grandparents, this can be a good option. With various options and features, choosing the right scooter can be difficult. So, watch through our list to make an informed decision. Number 1. Best environment-friendly. Vive 4-wheel mobility scooter. With a fusion of maximum comfort and oodles of modernistic features, the Vive 4-wheel mobility scooter is a nifty product specially made keeping in mind the unique requirements of the senior citizens. Its easily maneuverable steering and durable grip tires can guide you through varied types of internal flooring and outdoor turf. It has a liberal weight capacity of 265 pounds. And can reach up to a top speed of a decent 3.7 miles per hour. Good enough to walk your dog around. Its ergonomically built rotating seat with a backrest has 2 retractable cushioned armrests for maximum convenience. While onboarding and departing the scooter, it has a spacious storage basket to hold your belongings during your thrilling rides. The best part is that it can be easily disassembled and can fit in any average-sized vehicle, so that you can enjoy your outdoor activities without any assistance. Color: silver platinum batteries. 1 product-specific battery required. Item weight: 88 pounds. What we like: height adjustable seat, adjustable speed knob, runs 12.4 miles per single charge. Color-coded battery life indicator. Environment friendly. What we don't like: may not offer enough legroom for some. Number 2. Best compact. FreeRider Transport Automatic Folding Scooter. The FreeRider Transport Automatic Folding Scooter provides mobility with the convenience of portability, making it the right choice. The highlight of this compact mobility scooter is its unique removable lithium batteries that provide hassle-free airport check-ins. This folding mobility scooter with lithium-ion batteries provides easy maneuverability, and its durable wheels guide through cobblestone streets, uneven terrain, and other surfaces. It is an efficient companion for the elderly in doing household chores. With a generous weight-bearing capacity of up to 250 pounds, it is sturdily built for the average American elderly. The powerful 270-watt 4-pole motor can provide a maximum speed of 4 miles per hour. Easy to handle, this no-fuss scooter is key-operated and has a speed-controlled dial for added safety. Features like a digital display, front and rear lights, and armrests can be added to upgrade this stylish folding scooter. Color: seafoam blue. Product dimensions: 33 by 16 and 33 inches. Weight: 49 pounds. What we like: compact, lightweight, height adjustable T-shaped tiller, dual control throttle, remote controlled foldable feature. What we don't like: some may find the seat small. Number 3. Best portable. Solax Transformer Automatic Folding Scooter. One of the most trailblazing products in the market, the Solax Transformer Automatic Folding Scooter has several ingenious features that aid in seamless movement with minimal effort. The easy-to-store scooter has an amazing touch button feature that folds and unfolds the scooter with the least manual intervention. It can be transformed into a compact carry-on suitcase, making it easier for you to carry during air travel, and the lightweight lithium battery can be removed and carried in hand luggage. The height-adjustable handle can be tilted as per one's comfort. It is absolutely lightweight and is quite a help in performing daily chores around the house and making errands to the market. It is best suited for patients with multiple sclerosis who need assistance with movement. The Transformer Automatic Folding Scooter has a telescopic tiller that adjusts to your height. It can support up to 300 pounds of weight and is available in both black and red variants. Color: blue. Number of items: 1 item. Weight: 5 kilograms. Color: blue. What we like: generous leg and footroom, comfortable folding armrests, ultra portable, airline approved, long-lasting battery life. What we don't like: some may find the turn radius a bit short. Number 4. Best Spring Suspension, Metro Mobility Compact Electric Scooter. The Metro Mobility Compact Electric Scooter is an avant-garde product that is a perfect combination of portability, adjustability, and easy maneuverability to provide the best riding experience to seniors. Its compact parts can be easily dismantled and effortlessly fit into the trunk of any vehicle. The handle can be dexterously maneuvered by left-handed people and seniors with less hand strength. Its padded swivel seat provides maximum comfort, especially when transitioning in and out of the scooter. The portable power scooter has special features such as an angle-changing tiller, height-adjustable seat, and adjustable armrests, making it one of the most sought-after mobility scooters for senior citizens. The front LED light and the taillight provide added safety during dark hours. One can easily travel up to 10 miles with a single charge. With a ground clearance of 4.7 inches, the foldable scooter for disabled individuals can glide smoothly over rough, uneven outdoor terrains. It has a utility basket in the front and a convenient pouch on the rear of the seat that can store your newspapers and magazines. Color: blue batteries. Two 12-volt batteries. Required product dimensions: 45.27 by 21.06 and 37.4 inches. Weight: 101 pounds. What we like: flat free tires, spring suspension, speed of up to 4.9 miles per hour. Features: front bumper, anti-rolling wheels, adjustable tilt, weight capacity of 265 pounds. What we don't like: some may find it a little heavy to get in and out of the car trunk. Number 5. Best Leg Space, FreeRider USA Folding Mobility Scooter. A completely user-friendly folding mobility scooter for seniors and adults, the FreeRider USA Folding Mobility Scooter folds just in 3 seconds and is an excellent scooter for all-around performance and convenience. The fold-up scooter has a turning radius of 36 inches, making way for easy maneuverability. With the added suspension, it ensures a bump-free ride of up to 25 miles with a single charge. The detachable lithium-ion battery can be removed during airline travel. Its compact and sturdy body veers perfectly through check-ins in cruises and airports. The cushiony seat comes with padded armrests, which provide a comfortable ride. It has adequate leg space, making it ideal for those who are taller than average. The folding electric scooter also has convenient extra wheels that allow it to be pulled like a trolley. Batteries: 1 lithium-ion batteries. Required product dimensions: 39 by 20 and 30 inches. Weight: 63 pounds. What we like: compact, lightweight, telescopic adjustable tiller, long-lasting battery power, anti-flat airless wheels. What we don't like: only available in a single variant of black. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.